UK, one person is killed or seriously injured every 16 minutes on our roads. It's scary to think that can happen to any one of us, especially in the UK where we spend a daily average of 59 minutes commuting. As a Muslim, it is your duty not only to safeguard yourself but those around you. Allah says in the Qur'an, and do not kill the soul which Allah has forbidden. That means while you're driving, you shouldn't be tired, on the phone, speeding, intoxicated, or be involved in any form of reckless driving.
We all have a responsibility to drive safely. One mistake behind the wheel can change our lives forever with life-changing injuries. Bismillah.